Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my makeup to look like this. This has been the makeup routine that I've been doing recently and I actually really like it. I also show you guys some of the skincare products that I've been using as well. This has been my favorite makeup routine I've had so far and also my favorite skincare routine. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my skincare. So I use these three things. First, this is the Caudalie Perfecting Serum. And then I use this Caudalie serum, and then I use their moisturizer. My skin has been clearing up a lot. I hope the lighting's not bad because of the window. Skincare's all done. I'm gonna go in with Iconic London Serum. This is actually so good. Or it's not a serum, it's a primer. It makes my makeup look really smooth. Skin prep is done. This Tower 28 concealer, and I'm gonna spot conceal like that. And then I'm gonna blend it out. And then I go in with the Say bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer at the moment. And then I blend it. I have work later today, unfortunately. But I already went to the gym, so I got that out of the way. Still have a video to edit that I have to upload. I've been like really bad on editing and uploading. And like I want to be better at that. Because literally the days have been going by so fast. And also I've been like getting tired earlier now. I think that's because of the gym. Because before I would stay up so late and now I can't. The makeup's gonna look a little bit crazy until I like start doing my eye makeup. And I actually have a new blush from Merit to try out. Got the shade Stockholm. Seen this one for so long and I've always wanted to get it. Also, this is like the color of it in case you guys were wondering. I've been wanting to get this one for so long. Happy that I finally have it. I'll blend it out. I have like these two. This one's in the shade Cheeky. This one's in the shade Apricot. I think that's how you say it. This one's my favorite though. I'm gonna put a little bit of this one with it. These are the two I'm using right now. I go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and then I go in with the Hourglass. So I do a dot there, I do a dot there. Some right there and some right here. Just did my concealer and I know my makeup looks so crazy right now, but I'm gonna fix it. This is how I get my makeup to look like really smooth. Just bake my whole face. I told you guys my makeup is gonna look crazy. Like, it looks really crazy, but then it doesn't towards the end. And also I'm using the shade Pound Cake because I like it to be brightening. I do tend to get oily, so that's why I have to bake my whole face. If you have dry skin, you don't have to do this, but I don't have dry skin, so. This is what I use for my eyebrows. I actually got a sample of this at work, and then I fill them in first because my eyebrows are a lot thinner than they used to be, but it's because I tweezed them a lot. I still have to fill them in because they're like sparse right here. This is the Anastasia brow gel, but I got a sample of it and I've just been using this to keep my eyebrows up. I used to use the Sephora collection brow gel, but I like this a lot more, so I've been using this. I use the Sephora collection eyeliner and then I use this Lancome eyeliner my mom gave me. I honestly do it really messy. And then I do my waterline. Then I do my mascara. So this is my mascara routine. I do use 3 mascaras because this one's the Charlotte Tilbury one. And I feel like this one gives me volume, so that's why I use it. While I let that dry, I'm going to dust off the setting powder because we're going to start doing the finishing touches for my face. Charlotte Tilbury. Bit on my forehead. And I contour my nose. I don't know why, I just always feel like my nose has to be contoured. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it looks bad. Hopefully today it looks good though, because I'm filming this video. Like so. We're gonna do another coat of this mascara now. Guys, this mascara routine is long. This is what takes me the longest, if I'm gonna be honest, is my mascara routine. Then we're gonna do highlight while that dries. Do a little bit on my nose. I don't always do highlight on like my cheekbones, but I always do highlight on my nose. The highlight on my cheekbones, it honestly just depends on the day. So then I'm gonna go in with this telescopic mascara. This is how my lashes are looking. I had to finish my mascara off camera because my camera was about to die, but these are what my eyelashes look like. I just used those 3 mascaras that I told you guys, and then I just added it up. Wait, why is this actually my best mascara day I've had in so long? Like, they actually look good. Okay, I don't know if I should do some on the bottom. I used to do like a lot of mascara on the bottom, but then I realized it was kind of taking away from the mascara on the top. So I think I'm just gonna lightly do some right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my lip combo. I use these two. This is the Anastasia lip liner in the shade Rosewood, and I just outline my lips. This is like my natural lip color. They're literally like, they don't have a lot of color to them. So I just outline it. I do overline a little bit because if you guys can see, like my whole upper like Cupid's bow, it doesn't have color, but, like, you know, so I'm not gonna like go under it. I just go on that line. Oh, I went out of the line. Oops. Can't believe my camera almost died. Also, I don't do this super neat. I know it's literally so bad. I also need to sharpen this lip liner. I just don't really care like how I line them. I know that's bad. Okay, and then I use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and I just do my bottom lip. The camera's like kind of messed up because I have that window and it like ruins the lighting. But this is my makeup. As you guys can see, I still have to do setting spray. I really didn't talk that much about life. I was gonna do like a chit chat get ready with me, but you guys, when I do my makeup, I honestly really focus on what I'm doing. I did a chit chat get ready with me a while ago though, but okay, this is the setting spray I use. Life Lock by Tarte. It's so good. I do a lot. I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I really need my makeup to like stay on and look how it looks right now. This is a good makeup day. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Merit Retrospect. This is actually, I love this scent. I wore it the other day and my mom asked me what I was wearing. I feel like it just smells so good and so clean. This is a new one, so I kind of have to spray it. It has notes of vanilla and like florally. It smells so good. This is the finished makeup, you guys. I feel like it looks really good, really smooth. Honestly, I change my makeup routine all the time. This is just the routine that's been working for me right now. I don't wear foundation because I feel like it clogs my pores, but I feel like my skin has been so good just because I haven't been stressing. Stress has a lot to do with acne. If you're always stressed out, you're always going to break out. So I haven't been stressing. I've been getting 8 hours of sleep or more. And when I go to the gym, I don't wear makeup. I put my skincare on and then I literally go in the sauna, so like it goes into my skin even more. And also the foods that you eat, I eat pretty clean. And then I also have my skincare routine down pat. So honestly, if you want your makeup to look good, you have to really focus on the other factors like skincare and all that. So I'm really happy with how my skin is right now. I feel like I've come a long way. That's it for this get ready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!